Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. If Wi-Fi is not working on your Windows 11 or 10 PC, this video is for you. The icon is not showing here. It means that something went wrong with your PC. So let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, we need to open the device manager and we need to check that there is the hardware or the driver of Wi-Fi is there. Go to network adapters here, this option, expand that from side and look for your Wi-Fi wireless adapter like Intel one Realtek, and you need to right click on that and make sure it is not disabled. If it is down like this, let me disable this to show you. If it is down like this, right click and simply enable this. What this process will do is this will enable the Wi-Fi driver and it should fix your issue now if it is down. Some cases it's down automatically because of corrupted Windows or something went wrong on your Windows. So if it is not down, we need to right click there and simply update it, and search automatically will not work since you are not connected with the Wi-Fi. Click on browse, click on this option, and now from here you need to choose this option and then click on next, and it will reinstall the driver and thereafter your issue should fix. Okay, so now once it is reinstalled, close this and you must restart your system now and your issue should fix now. So this is the first step to troubleshoot this issue. If your Wi-Fi adapter is not showing here, click on network adapters and then click on action and scan for hardware changes, and now it will scan the hardware if any missing. Also go to view, show hidden devices, and it should fix your issue now. Just make a right click and update it. So this is the first method to troubleshoot this issue. So in the second method, we need to make sure that its service is running. Services are very important in Windows. Go to search bar, tap the services, run as administrator, and go to WLAN auto config. Press W on your keyboard and look for WLAN auto config. This option. Okay, make a right click and you need to make sure the service is enabled here and it is working. Select the automatic start and start it from here and then click on apply, click on OK. If it is already running, just make a restart. This will refresh the setting. So as you can see here, it is showing to restart my system. So just wait here some time. I have connected through the remote desktop connection here. So we need to wait here some time. Now once it is restarted, it should fix your issue. So now if your issue is still not resolved, move on to the third step. In the third step, you need to have the internet access. In this case, like you can use the another PC or use the Bluetooth tethering or connect the LAN cable. Then go to Google Chrome or whichever browser you use, and on the search bar tap the Intel Wi-Fi driver. Go to first link and choose here the 64-bit. Just click on download option here, accept terms and conditions, and these are the genuine method to fix the issue if Wi-Fi driver is not itself available here. So once it is downloaded, go to, you can just run it from here or go to the folder. Now you can see it has run. Click on yes. Now you can see, click on next, click on agree, click on next, and this will work basically in the Intel processor or the Intel driver if it was. If Intel 1 is not working, you have to go to the manufacturer website. So in my case, I'm using Dell driver. Go to the drivers and we need to put here the serial number. So the command for serial number is, go to search bar, type there CMD and wmic space BIOS space get and serial number together. And now just select it from mouse, then click on here and just, okay, we can just copy this, just hit enter or Control C, and now Control V to paste here, then click on search. Now this is for those who want Intel 1 is not working. It will restart, you have to restart your system later on once the Wi-Fi driver is installed. And go to here and then look for Wi-Fi driver. As you can see here, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver is this one. If the other one is recommended here, I mean the Realtek or the other, just click on that. Network Ethernet wireless, also you can try that one, it is also recommended and it will fix your issue. The installation will be the same as Intel 1. So this is how guys you can fix the issue. Wi-Fi is not working, Wi-Fi is not showing on Windows 11 or 10 PC. Hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.